The boy who cried wolf. One day, a boy was watching over his sheep. He was very bored. He wanted to play a trick. "Help!" Wolf cried the boy. The people of the town ran to help. There was no wolf. The boy laughed. The next week he did it again. "Help!" Wolf cried the boy. Again, the people of the town ran to help. Again, there was no wolf. Again, the boy laughed. Then a wolf ran. Really did come for the sheep. "Help!" Wolf cried the boy. No one came to help. The wolf chased all the boy's sheep away. The boy learned a lesson. People don't believe liars even when they tell the truth.